quick trip to get out there and have a quick ride. Another nice day. And the weatherman was correct. He was predicting early morning clouds and mostly sunny the rest of the day. And that's what we got. And I was fairly happy with the audio narration for the previous video. Didn't even have to do any excuse me, didn't have to do any type of audio post-processing or anything. Just I know the colors are a little more saturated than what I like, etc., but it just makes it much easier until I get a beefier computer for the documentary editing project. That'll be sometime next year, probably June-ish, when we have all our footage together. Unless finances go better between then and now. It might happen earlier, but definitely by June of next year. I'm going to build a video editing monster with 3 NVIDIA 980s and probably going to go with the dual processor, the latest one they've got out now. It's got some goofy architecture name, but it's supposed to be pretty good. And nice Asus motherboard. Fastest RAM I can afford. So it should provide for pretty good real-time video editing, non-linear, as well as the actual processing time will be minimal, considering, you know, it's not like processing RAW. It's just the camera we have right now is just full HD, so we aren't going to be super taxing it in those regards. Very nice day. A little chill, a little nip in the air because of the early clouds. I've got a thermal underwear, a little freeze-out jacket underneath my leather jacket. So it's not so bad. And when I get back, I gotta start doing some major cleanup in the garage. Finish that up so I can get some wood boards out there, trim them to the size I need, or rip them to the size I need, then stain them, get them ready for installation. So that will be the rest of my week project here, on house cleaning. Some dishes to do, laundry. That's about it. probably not going to make this live. We'll see if karma is with me. Oh. Haha, not quite. Oh well. Probably could have zipped through, but not the right thing to do. All you young riders out there, don't go zipping through, especially in this place, man. Whew. You can, but you know, take your chances. If you do it often enough, you end up getting bit. So once in a while, you gotta just slow down and enjoy the beautiful hue of red burning into your retinas. Right there. Real nice. Got red, blue, and green. Blue sky, red light, green trees. We got CMYK out there. I believe we do. Cyan, where's magenta? Car's almost magenta, dark magenta. Oh, the flowers. Somewhere. Of course, yellow. Black. Somewhere is black. And I'll be doing have to charge up both my batteries for my camera, but I'll be doing about a 60-mile drive up to Portland on the 3rd. So, well, of course, I have a camera rolling on that. Now that I got a means of annoying people with my voice, instead of just annoying myself and my wife and the cat. The whole world can now suffer. I'm gonna flip this up so I don't suffer. Butterfly. Alrighty. I'll go see the old lady will poke me. I'll be done in hopefully a little bit. Yeah, I figured I'd walk over here and take a peek at what we got parked here. A CBR 250. Or is it a 300? Looks new enough to be a 300. Nope, 250. Alright. First time I've seen one in person. Kind of like the little cutout scoop there on the front sides of the fairing there by the outside of the headlight. Yeah, pretty spiffy. Alrighty. And there's my beauty. My green beauty. My luscious one. Oh, please do not get stolen, knocked over, spat, keyed, etc., etc. Be there in one piece and unharmed when I get back. And flying spaghetti's master name we pray.